everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a very beautiful English story, that is The Tiger and the Frying Pan. Okay, if you're an English beginner, these stories are very helpful for you people to improve your English. So listen to the entire story and there is a very beautiful moral at the end. So let's get started. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village at the edge of a jungle, there was a young boy named Ramu. Ramu's family owned a small house and they were very poor. His mother cooked delicious meals for the family using a simple frying pan. The boy loved the food, especially the fried fish his mother made. One day, while Ramu was collecting the firewood near the jungle, he saw a huge tiger. The tiger was hungry and it growled fiercely. You look like a tasty snack, the tiger said to Ramu. Ramu was very scared, but he thought quickly, please don't eat me, Mr. Tiger. I have a special frying pan at home that can make food taste even better. If you let me go, I will cook you a delicious meal. The tiger was curious. What is so special about this frying pan? Ramu smiled. It can cook the tastiest food in the world, even better than what you hunt in the jungle. If you come with me, I will fry you something that will make you so full you won't want to hunt again. The tiger, thinking about how good the food might be, agreed to let Ramu go. They both went back to Ramu's home, and Ramu's mother, seeing the tiger, was terrified at first. But Ramu quickly explained, Mother, we need to cook for the tiger. He is hungry, and I promised him a special meal, Ramu said. Ramu's mother was afraid, but she trusted her son. She took the frying pan and started cooking a large fish. The tiger waited, growing more and more excited as the smell of the fish filled the air. Once the food was ready, Ramu served the tiger. The tiger tasted it and his eyes grew wide. This is the most delicious food I have ever tasted, the tiger said. You kept your promise, little one. Ramu smiled and said, now you should be full. I hope you are satisfied. The tiger, feeling full and happy, nodded. You have tricked me, little boy. I came to eat you, but instead you fed me. I am grateful. From now on, I will not harm you or anyone in your village. The tiger left the village never to be seen again. So, there is a very beautiful moral here. See, listen. Cleverness and kindness can turn dangerous situations into peaceful ones. Even in the face of danger, using your mind can save the day. I hope you like this story. This is a very beautiful and interesting story for you people. And here you can learn so many different words, sentences. Okay, If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.
आवाज एक निकली ना भाई